Have you ever found yourself caught in a web of your own lies? This brings to mind a tale that originated from the heart of India, a tale of a man known as Mullah and a donkey that wasn't there. Once upon a time, in a small village in India, Mullah was lounging in his courtyard, basking in the warm sunlight. His tranquility was interrupted by a friend who approached him with an urgent request. "Mullah," he pleaded, "I need to visit the nearby village for an important errand, and I need to carry some goods. Could you please lend me your donkey? I promise to return it by dusk." Mullah, however, was reluctant to part with his donkey. So he quickly spun a tale, claiming that someone else had already borrowed the donkey. Just as he finished his lie, a telltale bray echoed from the courtyard. His friend, hearing the sound, exclaimed, "Mullah! The donkey is right here!" Caught in his lie, Mullah retorted, "What will you believe, my words or the braying of a donkey?" The moral of this story is clear and resonates with us all. Honesty is always the best policy, and lies, no matter how cleverly crafted, have a way of revealing themselves. When we choose truth over deceit, we not only maintain our integrity, but also the trust of those around us. In summary, the tale of Mullah and the invisible donkey teaches us that honesty is the cornerstone of all success, without which confidence and ability to perform shall cease to exist. Remember, it's always better to be truthful than to weave a complex web of lies. After all, don't we all want to be the person who trusts in the words of a friend rather than the bray of a donkey?